Now shifting focus, the Supreme Court has come down hard on the Delhi Forest Department for failing to present a concrete plan to boost the capital's green cover, even as the city grapples with worsening air quality. The apex court expressed sharp dissatisfaction, pointing out the lack of progress since the last meeting in October. Taking matters into its own hands, the court is now considering appointing an external agency to devise actionable steps for greening Delhi. This move comes alongside the top court's ongoing deliberations on conducting a tree census for the capital. Back in June, officials were instructed to devise a comprehensive plan, but with little headway. The Supreme Court has decided to take decisive action to address Delhi's environmental crisis. Crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more on this. Harish, take us through the key takeaways.
Yes, good morning, Aisha. Yes, as you rightly said, the Supreme Court bench led by Justice Abhay S. Oak has said it's planning to appoint an agency which could propose steps for enhancing Delhi's green cover. And this observation came after Delhi government's forest department, despite the court's directions earlier, failed to hold a productive meeting in this regard. And also, as you rightly said, the order comes close on the heels of Supreme Court mulling a tree census for Delhi. Remember, Supreme Court was hearing a batch of cases concerning tree felling, that is illegal tree felling, and the need for enhancing the green cover of Delhi. The Chief Secretary told Supreme Court during the hearing it has convened 2 meetings and has submitted suggestions after consulting relevant amicus curiae and other authorities. The Supreme Court said that from records, it's very clear that the last meeting happened in October, and it seems that you don't want to do anything, you're not complying with the court's orders. So the Supreme Court's order said on June 26, we had directed the Secretary of Forest Department of Delhi government to convene a meeting to discuss comprehensive measures taken to enhance green cover in Delhi. No satisfactory measure is taken, is what this court is and what this court is expected. We therefore propose to appoint an agency which could propose steps towards enhancing of green cover in Delhi. We request the amicus to propose name of agency for the same. Remember that during the last month, during the task trapezium tree cutting case hearing, the Supreme Court bench, the same bench had remarked that there is a need for tree census in Delhi to check illegal felling of trees. We plan to form a committee, the bench had said. Once tree authority gives permission to cut trees, Supreme Court it may fix a threshold of more than 100 trees. That has to be vetted by this particular experts committee. We will constitute a committee. This is what the Supreme Court has said. So now the Supreme Court is going ahead, seems to be going ahead with a plan to appoint an agency which could propose steps for enhancing Delhi's green cover. Back to you, Aisha.
All right, Harish. Thank you so much for joining us and getting us those crucial details. We'll continue to track the developments as far as the case is concerned, but moving on now.